All right, we're ready to print our design, and remember, anything that is within this boundary box here will print. If you have anything outside the boundary box, it will not show in the printout. Now before we go ahead and print out this design, I just want to show you a little trick that you can use. Notice how the sofa and the chair are sitting on top of a busy rug. And you might want to have that sofa and chair stand out a little bit more for your client. Just highlight your sofa with your mouse, and I'm going to depress the Shift key so that I can also highlight my chair at the same time. Then open up your Properties window, and I like to keep it open, so I'll click on that middle icon. Let me stretch this out a little bit so you can see this side. I'm going to change the stroke width just by clicking on this top arrow here. And I'm going to keep clicking it until I'm satisfied with the results. There. And you can see that the chair and the sofa do stand out a bit more. Now you can also type in a value in the stroke width field. Just remember to hit the Enter key when you're done typing. Okay, I want to close the Properties window, so I will click on that middle icon. I'm happy now how that sofa and chair look against the rug, so I'm going to go ahead and print. To do that, just click on your print icon here, and a print preview window will open up. Remember, anything that is within this boundary box on your canvas will print. So this is how your printout's going to look on the paper. And when you're ready to print, go ahead and click on the print command here. Now, if you happen to have a printer that is on a network, or you might be a Dream Draper online customer, the program might have difficulty in finding your printer. That is no problem. If for some reason you're having a problem printing, then just create a JPEG and then print that JPEG. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To create a high quality JPEG of your design that's suitable for emailing to a customer or for printing, just click on File, Export, and navigate to a folder where you want to save that JPEG. We recommend that you create a folder specifically for this, something called Dream Draper JPEGs to email. In that way, every single time you create a JPEG, your JPEGs will go into the same folder, making it very easy to find those JPEGs. And then type the name of your JPEG. And in this case, I'm going to call it Baker Den Proposal. You do not have to append the JPEG extension. The program will add that automatically for you. And then click on the Save button. When you click on the Save button, another little window is going to open up. Just click on OK, and you will have a very nice high quality JPEG of your design, suitable for emailing or for printing. And this is the high quality JPEG that we just created. FYI, the program will create a thumbnail view of every canvas that you save, and that's what you're looking at right now, is a thumbnail view of your design. So if you grabbed the thumbnail JPEG, then you grabbed the wrong JPEG. And that's why when you go to create your JPEG and you go to File, Export, we recommend that you do create this folder here, Dream Draper JPEGs to email, and that way you will always be grabbing the correct JPEG.